Welcome to Tungal online classes. In previous video already we have discussed equations of motions, right? The first one is v is equal to u plus at and second one is s equal to ut plus half et square and the third one is v square minus u square is equal to 2as and the fourth one is the displacement of the particle in nth second that is equal to u plus a by 2 bracket of 2n minus 1, right? So in this video we are going to derive the relation that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as by graphical method. Okay, see here. V square minus u square is equal to 2as, right? Okay. So it is very important for 5 marks. It is very important for 5 marks. Okay. So first, the consideration part. Consider an object is moving with a initial velocity u and uniform acceleration a. Suppose v be the final velocity after t seconds. V be the final velocity after t seconds. So this is a consideration part. So next we are going to draw a graph. So that is velocity time graph. Already we know that velocity time graph means the velocity is taken along the y-axis and the time is taken along the x-axis, right? Okay. So in this case, this graph shows that, so this is A, B point. So this indicates that an object is moving with a uniform acceleration, and at the time interval of 0 second, that body having the initial velocity that is u. The initial velocity that is u. Okay, see here. So in this case we are joining this point, right? So this is BD. It is perpendicular to the x-axis and AC, it is perpendicular to the BD. After that join this one. Join this point. Okay, see here. So in this case, OA indicates that the initial velocity of an object that is u, right? So this is OA is parallel to the CD. So then value of this CD is also same, that is u, right? And this point B indicates that the final velocity of an object, that is v, right? After t seconds, right? So here BD value is v and DC value is u. So then what is the value of BC here? The value of BC is v minus u. The value of BC is v minus u. Then, so this OD is the time interval of t second and AC is parallel to the OD. So then this is also t, right? Okay. See here. The first one, OA is equal to CD is equal to initial velocity u. After that OD is equal to AC is equal to t. OD is equal to AC is equal to t. After that BC is equal to v minus u. BC is equal to v minus u. Then BD is equal to final velocity v. BD is equal to final velocity v. Okay. So already we know that the area of okay, we know that area under VT graph gives displacement. Okay. See here. So here area under VT graph that gives a displacement means the displacement is denoted by S vector, that is S is equal to area under trapezium. Okay. So this is equal to, So what is the formula we are used to find out the area of a trapezium? So that is 1 divided by 2 into the sum of the parallel side. So OA and BD are the parallel sides. So here 1 by 2, the sum of a parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides into perpendicular distance. Into perpendicular distance. Okay. See here. This is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Sum of parallel side means OA and BD are the parallel sides. Here BD plus AO or OA into perpendicular distance is AC. Perpendicular distance is AC. Okay. Substitute the values here. So this is 1 by 2 as it is. Next, BD is nothing but BD value is final velocity V. Next, AO value is AO value, that is U plus U into AC. AC is nothing but time t. AC is nothing but time t. Okay. So already we know that the relation, that is V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. So from this relation, we are going to find out what is the t value. Then t is equal to V minus U divided by A. So this is the t value. Substitute this t value in this expression, right? Substitute the t value in this expression. So then displacement is equal to displacement vector, that is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. 1 by 2 as it is. After that V plus U into t. T value is, that is V minus U divided by A. V minus U divided by A. Okay, I will write here. So therefore t value is, that is V minus U divided by A. So in this case we are substituting t value in this expression. Okay. So then by cross multiplication, take this 2 this side and A this side, then it becomes 2AS, that is equal to V plus U into V minus U. V plus U into V minus U. So this is in the form of A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. Similarly, here this value is V plus U into V minus U. So that value is V square minus U square. Okay, see here. A square minus B square, that is equal to A plus B into A minus B with the help of this formula, that is 2AS, that is equal to V plus U into V minus U means V square minus U square. V square minus U square. So this is our final relation, that is 2AS, that is equal to V square minus U square, or V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. It is very important for 5 marks. Okay. See here. The first one is consideration part. Consider an object is moving with the initial velocity u and uniform acceleration a. Suppose v be the final velocity after t second. So after that, this graph indicates that an object is moving with a uniform acceleration with the initial velocity u at the time interval of t is equal to 0 second. At the time interval of t is equal to 0 second. So after that, we know that area under Vt graph, that gives the displacement. So then the displacement, that is equal to area under the trapezium. Area under the trapezium. So that is equal to the area of a trapezium formula is, that is 1 by 2 sum of the parallel sides into perpendicular distance. Next, so sum of parallel sides means here OA and BD are the parallel sides. So then this is equal to 1 by 2 BD plus AO into perpendicular distance is AC or OD, right? So in this case we are consider that is AC, that is equal to 1 by, okay. then s is equal to 1 by 2 v plus u into v minus u divided by a. Take 2 and a this side, so then it becomes 2as is equal to v plus u into v minus u, right? So this in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The standard formula is a square minus b square. Okay, see here, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? Okay, next 2as is equal to v square minus u square, or v square minus u square is equal to 2as. The next one, displacement of the particle in the nth second, that is equal to u plus a by 2 bracket of 2n minus 1. Okay, see here. So in this case, we are considering an object or a particle. It is moving with a uniform acceleration. It is moving with a uniform acceleration along the x-axis, right? Okay. So here, this is the reference point. So that is O, and this is the position of the object, that is x naught. So here, if t is equal to 0 second, if t is equal to 0 second, the object is present at this position, that is x naught. The object position is x naught, and the velocity of the particle at this position, so that is v naught. V naught indicates that the velocity of an object at the time interval of 0 second. Okay, after some time, the position of the object at this position, that is x, at the time interval of t is equal to t seconds. T is equal to t seconds. Then the velocity of an object at this point is, that is v. The velocity of an object at this point is v. Okay. So then the displacement of the particle in t second, the displacement means that is final position minus initial position, right? So displacement of the particle in t second is, that is x minus x naught, that is equal to displacement. So that means the final position minus initial position, that gives the displacement is s in the time interval of t seconds. In the time interval of t seconds. Time interval of t seconds. Okay, see here. Then the displacement of the particle in a t second, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Already we know this relation. Then s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. So next, let Sn and s suffix n minus 1 be the displacement of the particle, in n second and n minus 1 second. N second and n minus 1 second. So then the displacement of the particle in n second. So here s suffix n indicates that the displacement of the particle in n second, that is equal to u. Just we are replacing time by n. So instead of t, we are substituting n, right? So displacement of the particle in n second, that is equal to u into n plus 1 by 2 a into n square. So this gives the displacement of the particle in n second, right? Similarly, we are going to find out the displacement of the particle in n minus 1 second. So that is equal to, so here substitute n minus 1 instead of t. Okay, see here, t value is n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a, here t value is, that is n minus 1 whole square. So this is our equation number 3. This is our equation number 3. Okay, see here. So this gives the displacement of the particle in n second, and this gives the displacement of the particle in n minus 1 second, right? Okay. The next one, we are going to find out the displacement of the particle in nth second. the displacement of the particle in nth second. The displacement of the particle in nth second. Okay, see here. The displacement of the particle in nth second, that is equal to the displacement of the particle in n second minus the displacement of the particle in n minus 1 second. Sn minus s of n minus 1. So this gives the displacement of the particle in nth second. Okay, see here. So then substitute here Sn value and Sn minus 1 value. So Sn value is, that is u into n plus 1 by 2 an square minus s of n minus 1 value is u bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a into n minus 1 whole square. Okay, that is u bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a into n minus 1 whole square. Simplify this one. So this is as it is, u into n plus 1 by 2 a into n square minus as it is, keep this term as it is, u into bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 a. So this in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula is, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, see here. In place of a, there is n is there. In place of b, 1 is there. So then it becomes n square plus 1 square minus 2n. Right? Next, this is equal to u into n plus 1 by 2 a into n square minus of, multiply this one, un minus u plus 1 by 2 a into n square plus 1 by 2 a minus 1 by 2 into 2n. So in this case 2 are get cancelled. Next take this minus sign inside, then it becomes un plus 1 by 2 an square minus into plus minus un, minus into minus is plus, that is u minus 1 by 2 an square minus into plus minus 1 by 2a minus into minus is, that is plus a into n. A into n. Okay, a into n. Okay, next step. So this is u into n, this is plus un, this is minus un, both are get cancelled. Half an square minus half an square, both are get cancelled. The remaining terms are u plus an minus of 1 by 2a. So then it becomes u plus an minus of 1 by 2a. Right. The next one. So take a common here, then it becomes a u plus a bracket of n minus 1 by 2, or this is equal to u plus a divided by 2 bracket of 2n minus 1. So this is the final relation. The displacement of the particle in the nth second, that is equal to u plus a by 2 bracket of 2n minus 1. Right? Okay. So it is very important for 5 marks. Okay, see here. The first one. In this case, we are consider the object is present at a distance x from the origin at the time interval of t is equal to 0 second. Right? After that, the velocity of an object at that point is, that is v naught. Right? After some time, the position of an object is x and the velocity of the object at the point is v at the time interval of t is equal to t seconds. Right? Okay. So then the displacement of that particle in t second, that gives the x minus x naught is equal to s. This is s displacement. Right? So this final position minus initial position, that gives the displacement x minus x naught is equal to s in the time interval of t second. So after that, already we know that the displacement equation, that is just equal to ut plus half at square, ut plus half at square. So after that, let s suffix n and s suffix n minus 1 be the displacement of the particle in nth second and n minus 1 second. So here we are substituting in place of t, just we are substituting the n value. So we will get the equation is s suffix n is equal to un plus 1 by 2 an square, right. So in next case we are substituting the t value is n minus 1, then you will get s of n minus 1 is equal to u bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2a bracket of n minus 1 whole square, right. Okay. So the next one is the displacement of the particle in nth second, that is equal to displacement of the particle in second, that is equal to displacement of the particle in n second minus the displacement of the particle in n minus 1 second. So then substitute the values here. The value of this one is un plus 1 by 2 n square minus u bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2a bracket of n minus 1 whole square. So after that, un plus 1 by 2 n square minus u bracket of n minus 1 plus 1 by 2a n minus 1 whole square. This in the form of a minus b whole square, a square minus b square plus 2ab, sorry, a square plus b square minus 2ab. See here, this is in the form of n square plus a 1 square minus of 2n. So after that, un plus 1 by 2 n square minus un multiply this one minus u plus 1 by 2 an square plus 1 by 2a into 1 square minus 1 by 2 into 2n into a. So after that, here u1 get cancelled, 1 by 2n square, 1 by 2n square get cancelled, the remaining is u plus an minus of 1 by 2a. So substitute here u plus a n minus 1 by 2, that is equal to, take LCM here, then it becomes u plus a by 2 bracket of 2n minus 1. So this gives the displacement of the particle in nth second.